A new report shows Virginia has fallen behind neighboring states when it comes to preschool, despite record national investments.
Ashley Smith has how they're turning things around in Suffolk.
Across Virginia, thousands of families are still waiting for a preschool seat, some paying more for childcare than their mortgage. The 2024 State of Preschool Yearbook from the National Institute for Early Education Research ranks Virginia 30th for 4-year-olds, with 22% enrolled in state-funded programs, and 26th for 3-year-olds, with only 3% enrolled. Allison Friedman-Krause is lead author of that report.
Enrollment has increased a little bit, but it really hasn't accelerated like we're seeing in some other states.
The report shows Washington, D.C. ranks first in the nation, enrolling 95% of 4-year-olds and 82% of its 3-year-olds. Maryland comes in at 18th and 20th, respectively. And North Carolina doesn't serve 3-year-olds in state-funded pre-K, but in the report still ranks 28th for 4-year-olds. So Virginia is trailing, and Friedman-Krause says quality is lagging too.
Teachers in public schools are required to have a bachelor's degree. And then we want to see the assistant teachers in the classroom have at least a child development associate's degree. There's a lot of room for improvement.
Meanwhile, in Suffolk, a shortage of early learning seats is fueling the childcare crisis. Dr. L. Harris with the city's Early Childhood Development Commission says the gap tops 2,200 childcare spots.
Parents are asking, is anyone in the neighborhood able to watch my child from this time to this time? Because we cannot find the child care available, and it's heartbreaking.
Commission manager Kimberly Clark says the child care shortage has ripple effects across the economy.
If parents aren't able to find good quality care for their children, how are they able to work? It affects everything.
The commission hosted a roundtable last week, hoping to find local solutions. And across the state, lawmakers worked to trim the preschool wait list this year, but other reforms stalled. And advocates warn federal cuts could erase gains.
Investing in a low-quality program, it's probably just wasting your money.
We absolutely need to increase the number of pre-K slots. Sooner is better.
Ashley Smith, 13 News Now.
The 2025 State of Preschool Yearbook is expected next spring.
Advocates say Virginia needs to raise quality standards, increase teacher pay, and expand full-day access to keep pace with other states.